In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update product photos in your shop manager, a process that can help keep your online store visually fresh and appealing to customers. Keeping your images updated not only enhances your store's aesthetic, but also provides a clear, current representation of your products to potential buyers. Let's walk through how to make these changes seamlessly. First, you'll want to navigate to your shop manager. This is essentially the central hub for running your shop, where you'll find all the tools you need for managing listings, orders, and customer interactions. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the Listings section. This area is where all your current product listings are housed. It's very user-friendly and features a catalog of all the items you're selling. Now click on the specific listing that needs a photo update. By doing so, you'll open up the details of that product, which include the description, price, and images, among other things. It's important to ensure you're in the correct listing because you'll be making changes that will reflect on your online store. Double checking here saves you the trouble of fixing accidental edits later. Next, locate the photo you want to replace. This setup usually displays all your current images associated with the product. Scroll through them if needed and identify the one that's outdated or doesn't showcase your product as effectively as you'd like. Once you've selected the image you want to update, click on it to proceed with the change. Now comes the time to upload your new photo. A window will open, allowing you to select a new image from your device's storage. As a tip, ensure that your new photo is of high quality, well lit, and captures the product in a way that highlights its best features. Using clear and detailed images can significantly impact customer interest and confidence in their purchase. After you've selected the new photo and it's uploaded, you'll see the updated image appear in the listing. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's crucial that you save your changes. Look for the Save option, usually located towards the bottom of the page or pop-up window. Clicking Save ensures that all the modifications you've made are recorded and reflected in your shop. Skipping this step could mean losing your work and having to start the process over, so don't forget this final click. And that's it, you've successfully updated your product photo. Regularly refreshing your product images keeps your shop dynamic and can help attract more buyers. Thanks for watching and happy selling.